A good first check for a valve that won't open is to see if it operates manually. This is a good quick check before you dig into electrical troubleshooting. Manual operation is accomplished with some valves by turning a lever that turns the solenoid, or turning the solenoid itself a quarter turn. The lever or solenoid are usually labeled. Turn the solenoid no more than half a turn to activate the manual feature. Tighten it back up to close the valve. For older valves, you can use the bleed knob to release a small amount of water to cause the diaphragm to lift and the valve to open. Loosen the bleed screw until water comes out, but don't remove it completely. Tighten it to close the valve. If manual operation works, it's time to proceed to electrical tests. Using the voltage meter, we will first verify the output from the irrigation controller to the valve. Identify the zone wire and common wire coming from the controller to our valve. Cut into these two wires and remove enough insulation so that you can test for presence of voltage with the meter. We will perform this test with the voltage meter in the volts AC or VAC dial position. In this case, our problem zone is number 4. Activate zone 4 from the controller manually to send current to the wires to the valve box.